So this is a kind of factory that we are designing, and normally this is a very interesting thing when it all started, that normally we don't do factories. But when the client has asked us to do this project, we said that normally we don't have the experience, probably we're not the right people. But then he told us like, no, I want a factory like a showcase, and that's when we thought like there is something potential that where we could add value into it. So that's when it's all journey started. It's a kind of a bath fitting factory, wherein designed as per the industry 4.0 standards. And this is the front elevation of it, wherein though it is a factory building, but as we know that every time for any kind of manufacturer, it's very important even how you have the facade of the building. Though factories would have different kinds of budgets, but at the same time to create that uniqueness, because if you look at it here, there's the entrance that has a huge triple story glass structure. The main entrance of the factory is being designed in these areas, wherein we have so this forms the main entrance, and this is the element wherein it forms like a main the element of design which has the main office areas. This has the display area, the offices, and the factory lays down behind it. And so even like a building which is like factory, but in a way that how modern factories are evolving is also specifically for manufacturing, is also to create like factories are no more like kind of buildings that used to be before. It is about creating a kind of signature, a kind of building that would be very iconic in itself. I think even the past projects where we did Martins as a factory building, it also had this kind of very dynamic elements that have been cladded all over. And in this particular project, it was about this creating this kind of, because this particular the factory what we are looking at, this is a factory that deals with bath fittings. So the whole idea of to bring in that element of fluidity of water into the facade, that's when we have as if it feels like it is like a kind of a waterfall that falls onto it. And but at the same time it creates the very kind of a signature and modern elegant aesthetic. And it has like a lot of greenery on the terrace. So though it looks on the face of it, it is a standard factory building, but how even like subtle changes that can be done at the office level and the changes that can be done in this level can completely transform the way how we look at factories. And I think there would be even like industrial areas would be one of the most beautiful buildings that could have an. And this building is an example how we could blend into it. And we look on the other side, though it is these are simple element details, but it forms even the sides have been so though the front side of it and the front element of it, even the truck movement where it is moving around, and the terraces, so it is like a very subtle blend of having those little greenery at the same time not compromising with the core functionalities of the factories. But at the same time it has a very strong welcoming presence for every day that would a person would walk into.